guys, welcome to my channel Digital Talk. Today I have another thing just to unbox in front of you guys, which is called portable SSD. Let me take it out and then okay, let's see the sites. It shows the brand 128 TB portable SSD written over here, USB, and the colors indicated in here. It's showing everything: USB 3.1, 128 TB, space, and all of the colors, whatever available in that. It is hard drive enclosure. So this one is pretty much all the sides. This one is the back side of it, hard drive enclosure, and it is called solid state drive portable SSD. Pretty much all the sides, and now I'm going to unbox this right in front of you guys. Basically it is very compact in size. Usually the hard drives are super big in size. This is really compact, travel size package, and as you can see, this one is 128 TB high-speed storage SSD card, and 100% original SSD hard disk, 1 TB, 2 TB SSD, 500 GB, 128 TB hard drive, hard disk, portable electronics for laptops, computer, and PC. So the color available is turquoise, black, red, silver, and silver or white. Yes, you can say that. Okay, so specifications are basically it is universal plug type, and the model is GTYP004, compatible with Microsoft, and certified CE. And the color, as I told you before, it's available in red, blue, black, gold, and silver. And maximum sequential read is 500 Mbps, and the internal hard drive SSD. And the feature is, as I told you, the internal hard drives and compatible Microsoft model with Xbox E and Kinect. So this is pretty much everything about this beautiful, very compact SSD hard disk. The cost is around $11.30. It is 128 TB high-speed storage SSD. So this price is unbelievable, as I told, $11, which is available on AliExpress. The sites are this one. There is a port in here, as you can see, and the back side is this one is the back side, and this one is the back side. So amazing turquoise color SSD, and yeah. So I hope you would have liked this beautiful compact SSD hard disk, and yeah, I purchased this from AliExpress in $11.30. Subscribe my channel Digital Dot. I'll see you with another unboxing. Take care and bye.